Close channel.
Admitted.
Virtual level. Choose video filter. Virtual level.
Good morning, sir.
So very good morning.
Choose virtual level.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, good morning.
London admit to
Phone appointment.
వస్తా ఉంటారు అడ్మిట్ వస్తున్నారు
Close channel. Okay, good morning, my dear children. Yesterday we had discussed about the chemical equation more informative. So today I am going to discuss about the interpreting of the balancing equation. Yesterday only chemical equation, which type of information giving. So that only discuss about that one. But today, so interpreting balanced chemical equation. So interpreting balanced chemical equation means what? So interpreting means nothing but a information giving. What information giving? So balanced equation, which information giving? So that is called a interpreting balanced chemical equation. So interpreting a balanced chemical equation. So in this topic before, so we have learned about the mole concept. Mole concept means what? Mole concept. So this is also very, very important. So you take the chalk powder. So this chalk powder, a group of, so this chalk powder, how many particles are there? How to find out? So how many particles are, means how many atoms are participated in the chemical reactions? How to find out? So this have some confusion. So that's why the Italy scientist introduced by the mole concept. So the Italy scientist, so Emilio Emilio Avogadro introduced by the mole concept. Mole means nothing but a group. IPU. So suppose 1 mole. So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. So these particles, it is applicable for the only one. Suppose these particles you convert to the liquid state gaseous state means what is the standard value means? So 22.4 liter. So this is liquid and gas. So 1 mole. So 1 mole is equal to how many particles are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. So these particles, how much occupying the value makes? So that is the standard value is the 22.4 liters into STP. And STP means nothing but a standard temperature
Pressure.
is and pressure. So in our room temperature, so 1 mole particles, 1 mole how many particles are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. So these particles how much occupy the value in the STP condition means that also standard value 22.4 liter. So this is a constant and a fixed number. This is one number only. This is a number. You know 1 dozen. So 1 dozen means 12. Same as well as 1 mole is equal to also 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. So this is also one number. So that's why do not have any units. So dozen also do not have any units. Same as well as this number also do not have any units. So 1 dozen banana means 12 bananas coming. And 1 dozen eggs means so 12 eggs coming. But 12 eggs weight different from the 12 bananas. So number is the same, but the weight will be different. So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. So these particles how much occupy in the value means 22.4 liters. So this is the mole concept. Write down. This is a number. No. So 1 dozen is equal to 12 banana. Suppose you take the calcium carbonate and H2O and carbon dioxide. So calcium carbonate, it's a compound. So mole means so this is also 1 mole. This is a coefficient number only 1 mole. So this 1 mole. So this also 1 mole and this also 1 mole. So this 1 mole means how many particles are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power of
10 to the power of 23.
same 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Same 1 mole means 6.022 10 to the power of 23 particles. This is a number. Suppose this is the solid. So these particles it takes the liquid and gases means what is the So 22.4 liter. This also. So the one more particle, so to take the value means 22.4 liters second. That is standard value. Same this also 22.4 liters. Same this also 22.4 liters. Very good. Now this calcium carbonate, how much weight, how much mass contain means the calcium carbonate mass. Mass means one calcium atom 40 plus one carbon atom 12. Already mass tells, already mass you know. So every atom and every element should be maintain the definite and fixed mass content. So now oxygen atom. So 3 oxygen atom there. So 3 16 there. So total how much that mass? Calculated. How much coming? 100. Yes or no? Now coming to the H2O. H2O means one hydrogen, 1 gram. So means 1 unit. Now 2 hydrogen, 2 units plus 16. So 18 gram. Now carbon dioxide, so 12 plus oxygen 16 2 So 12 plus 16 2 32. So 44. Listen. So these number do not depending upon the mass. So suppose 100 gram calcium carbonate also same particles coming as well as so 18 grams of the H2O. So this is the less amount of the 18 gram, but the particles are same 6.02 so 44 grams. So this is somewhat higher mass, but the particles and the value will be same. So means this mole concept does not depending upon the weight and mass. It is a constant number. It is a constant number. This is a very, very important. Suppose 1 dozen. So 1 dozen take the mangoes. Suppose 1 dozen take the mangoes means the mangoes 1 dozen 12 mangoes you convert to the weight means so it coming to the so 2 kgs or 3 kgs coming. Same as well as so 12 bananas you take means only 1 kg coming. So means the mangoes and bananas 12 means 12 compulsory number constant, but the weight will be different. Same as well as this also. So 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. The particles, this number it will be fixed and constant number. So this number does not depending upon the weight and mass. So that is a very, very important. It is a constant number. Right now. So mole, the way which place you take means coefficient number is nothing but a mole. So coefficient number means this calcium this side there only 1. 1 means 1. Suppose this place 2 there means there is a 2 moles. 2 moles means what happened? What is the number? 2 into 6.0220 into the power of 23 particles. Now this also 2 into 22.4 liters. So coefficient number only you take the mole concept. Right down. Completed. Now small problem. So mole is equal to weight by so mole is equal to weight by molecular weight. Mole is equal to weight by molecular weight. So mole represented by the N. So weight W by molecular weight. This is the formula. Suppose one question, calculate the number of moles of 49 grams of sulfuric acid. Question what? Calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of 49 grams of sulfuric acid. So weight given, but you calculate the number of moles. Number of moles means you find out the molecular mass. So what is the molecular mass of the sulfuric acid? So molecular mass means the sum of the atomic mass equal to the molecular mass. Sum of the atomic mass means so 2 hydrogens are there, 1 sulfur there, 4 oxygen atoms are there. So means 2 hydrogen means just you this like equivalent. 2 means 1 2. Sulfur means is around atomic mass. Already 9th textbook we have the some atomic mass. So you by heart that atomic mass. No need another easy method. Just you make a practice, it will be coming. So sulfur means 32. So double triple anukuntaru gaani adi it is not a correct way. So means every atom should be maintain the own and fixed weight. Suppose in our classroom, depend on my doubt. Hello? Hello? So 16 4 ja.
64, sir.
Excellent. Not like fine. So 2 plus 32, 64. Total how much is that one? Calculate AND. 98.
98, sir.
98. Yes. So 98. It is a molecular mass. 98 molecular mass. So what is the question? Calculate the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. So weight already question only giving 49. By molecular weight how much? So 98. So 49 by 98. So 49 by 98, 49 1 jar. So 49 2 jar. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means so 0.5 moles. So 0.5 moles. Are you understanding? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Look, sir. So this is the molecular mass. So next another problem. Calculate the number of moles of 200 grams of calcium carbonate. Problems రావాలంటే వస్తేనే సో ఇంటర్ప్రిటింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా చేయగలుగుతాం. So calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of 200 grams of chalk powder. So 200 grams of chalk powder. How many moles are contained? So 200 grams of chalk powder given. So how many moles are contained? So how to calculate it? So already formula you know, N is equal to weight by molecular weight. So N means moles. So weight already given. So now you find out the molecular weight of the chalk powder. So what is the chalk powder chemical formula? Ca.
CaCO3.
Excellent answer. CaCO3. Good. So now one atom calcium atom atomic mass 40 ఇలా చేసుకోవాలి 40. చూడండి చేస్తున్నాను.
40.
So carbon
12.
plus 3 oxygen atoms are there. So one oxygen atom, so that is 16 mass. 16 atomic mass, 16 3 jar.
16 into.
So 40 plus so 12 plus and 16 3 jar. 16 3 jar how much? 48. Excellent.
48.
So total 100. So total 100. Now N is equal to weight already gave 200. Now molecular mass how much? 100. So how many moles are
2
contained?
by 1.
2 moles. Excellent. This like 10. So 200 grams. How many moles are contained? 2 moles. So in the 2 moles, how many particles are there? So how many particles are there means 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of
20.
So 2 moles means so 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 means so in the 100 grams of chalk powder, so how many particles are contained? So 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of so 23 particles are contained. This one. Next another one. Calculate the change. This is completed.
Completed, sir.
Right. Next another problem. Calculate the number of particles of number of particles of 180 gram of glucose powder. So 180 gram glucose powder, how many particles are there? Calculate and so 180 grams glucose powder, how many particles ఉన్నాయి? First of all, the particles you count means the mole first you count. Mole coming means so you calculate the particles very easily. So now mole means N is equal to what? N is equal to weight by molecular weight. So mole, first of mole count, mole calculate means, so it is very easily calculated the number of particles. Right, weight. So weight how much? So 180 gram given, but molecular mass did not give. So you only find out the molecular mass of the glucose. So glucose molecular mass means first glucose formula what? So C6.
6H12O6.
So already you know the carbon atomic mass of 12. So
12.
simple 12. 6. Already you know the hydrogen atomic mass 1.
12 into 1.
So 1 into 12 or 12 into 1. Now oxygen, one atomic mass you know 16. So 16
Into 6.
So then you find out it will be coming to the 180 grams. So sir calculate చేయండి. ఓన్గా అంత వస్తుందో లేదో చెక్ చేయండి. 12 16 plus 1 12 ja 16 6 ja. Any wrong calculation there are? It is correct only 180 grams. చేయాలా మీరు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కొంచెం చేస్తేనే.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yes,
Correct,
correct.
sir.
So 180 grams is correct. Now N is equal to, so weight already 180 and molecular mass also 180. Both are 180, 180 means, so N is equal to 1 more.
1.
One mole. So 1 mole means how many particles are there? So 1 mole is equal to 6.022
6.022 into 20 to the power of 23.
25. So these particles to convert to the liquid and gas means 22.4 liters. So 180 grams of glucose powder, how many particles are there? 6.022 10 to the power of 23 particles are contained. Suppose these particles you convert to the liquid, liquid look convert just say, so that liquid how much occupying means 22.2.
22.4 liter. 4.
Liquid lo convert చేస్తే ఎంత occupy చేస్తే that is the value, what standard value 22.4 liters only. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం? Calculate the red on. Calculate the
Yes, sir.
calculate the number of moles of
Moles of
number of moles of 106 gram of 106 gram of sodium carbonate powder. Sodium carbonate powder. So 106 gram lo, so how many moles are contained in the sodium carbonate? So calculate the number of moles of 106 gram. Calculate the number of moles of 106 gram of sodium carbonate. Now you find out the sodium carbonate molecular mass. So moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. So sodium carbonate. So sodium means only one sodium atom. One sodium atom. So one atom atomic mass how much? 23. So 23 2 plus carbon means 12. And oxygen means what? 16.
16.
So 23 2 how much?
46.
46 plus 12 Next to 63 ja. 48 ja. 48. So total how much? One or two? 6 ja. So now n is equal to, so 106 by,
1 mole, sir.
right, excellent. 1 by 106 by 106. 1 more only. So this like, so you calculated the moles. Very, very important. Okay. Next, some molecular mass we calculated. H2O, molecular mass. So H2O means one hydrogen atom, atomic mass 1. So means 2 hydrogen means 2. So 1, 2, plus 16. So carbon dioxide. So one carbon means
12.
12, right? So 12 plus 16 2 ja.
30.
44. Next, another one is the urea, very, very important. NH2, CO, NH2. This is the urea. So urea molecular mass means first you write down the simplify. Simplify, how many nitrogen atoms are there? So 2 there in 2. How many hydrogens are there? 4 there. So N2, H4 and CO. Then nitrogen means one nitrogen atom 14. So 14 plus one hydrogen atom means one hydrogen. One unit. 1 4. Plus one carbon means 12. Plus 16. So total it coming to the 60 grams.
60.
Next compulsory Al2O3. So Al2O3 means so aluminium, so 27. So 2 into 27 plus oxygen 16 region. So total how much coming? So 1 or 2, 2. So this also very. Next Fe2O3. So one Fe atom 56. So means 56 to the calculation there. Oxygen already 63. So total, so 160. So this like calculation part also. Next NaOH. Sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide, sodium 23.
40 grams, sir.
Correct answer. Oxygen 16 plus 1, 40 grams. Right. Carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate completed. CSC was chalk powder. So 40 plus 12 plus 16 3
100, sir.
100, right? So this is the molecular mass. Molecular mass means what? Molecular compound mass means sum of the atomic mass calculated, it coming to the molecular mass. Sum of the atomic mass means every atom should be maintain the own and fixed atomic mass only. Right. Right. Just one example you take. So calcium carbonate in the presence of the heat, so it divided, it will form a so calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is the solid, this is the liquid, this is the gas. So mole means what? The coefficient number is nothing but a mole. So this is a mole. So this is a 1 mole. It's like you represent. So this also 1 mole. This also 1 mole. So don't go to the superscript. So coefficient number is nothing but a mole. So this 1 mole, how much weight contain means, so calcium carbonate, how much weight contain? So
100 grams.
100 grams. Right. So this is a 56 grams. So this is a 44 gram. So means 100 gram 1 mole means how many particles are occupying solid state means. So 100 grams equal to the 1 mole. 1 mole means how many particles? So this is a very important representation. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Same as well, this also 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So this also 6.2. Just over 10 minutes. Get the minutes. Yes, sir. Remaining 3 minutes. Right. So this is a solid. Suppose these particles you take the liquid and gases means so 22.4 liters. Same this like so 22.4 liters. So 22.4 liters. This representation denoted is very important. So calcium carbonate 100 grams. 100 grams is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole, how many particles are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So these particles you convert to the liquid state value means that is a standard value 22.4 liters. Same as well as this is the 56. Weight is the lesser weight compared to the calcium carbonate. The particles are the same. Why means the 1 mole only. Now coming to the 44 grams is the lesser weight, but the 1 mole only. Coefficient number only 1. So means the mole concept does not depending upon the weight and mass. The mole concept does not depending upon the weight and mass. Sometimes the higher weight contain compound also. So 1 mole equal number of particles are contain the lower weight or lesser weight molecular compound. 44 grams of carbon dioxide, same particles are contained. Same 100 grams of calcium carbonate also, same particles are contained. Why means so this is the representation by the immediate Avogadro 1 mole introductions. So 1 dozen is the constant number. 1 dozen banana means so 12 bananas it came. 12 bananas means what happened? So 12 bananas means nothing but a 4 kilograms maybe like. Same as well as 12 banana mangoes you take means another weight. Okay? So the mole concept does not depending upon. So this is the mole concept. Tomorrow I will be explain again this continuous chapter. So thank you one and all. Okay. Okay.
Okay, rejoin children.
Hello. Good morning, Amma.